This is why you need to understand those ICU beeps. They're more than background noise. They could save a life. In the ICU, every beep tells a story. Some are steady, like a metronome, tracking a patient's heart rate or breathing. Others sound faster or louder when something's wrong, like low oxygen or high blood pressure. Green beeps usually mean all good. Yellow or red. That's a warning sign. Time to check the patient. Nurses and doctors know these sounds by heart. It helps them act fast, even before reading the screen. So, next time you hear beeping in the ICU, remember, it's not just noise. It's a vital alert system, keeping everyone on their toes and helping save lives every second. Beep, beep. Now you know what it means. You know.